not with your hands, but with the softness of your voice, the warmth of your gaze, the unspoken stories hiding in your heartbeat.
कभी कभी लगता है तुम्हारी खामोशी भी मुझे छू लेती है,
like a breeze that knows my name,
like a whisper that belongs only to me.
Touch me through the emotions you try to hide, through the dreams you never confess, through the trembling hope that maybe somehow we were meant to collide. जब तुम दूर होकर भी पास हो जाते हो, मेरे दिल का हर कोना जग जाता है.
As if your silence places a hand right over the fragile places inside me and says, I'm here.
Tonight, let your memory touch me again. Let the echoes of your footsteps walk through the corridors of my mind. I remember every little detail.
तुम्हारी हंसी का वो हल्का सा झुकना, the shine in your eyes, जब तुम कुछ कहना चाहकर भी चुप हो जाते थे.
It all touches me still,
like moments suspended in warm light, refusing to fade, refusing to break, refusing to belong to the past.
Touch me with the truth of who you are. Let your honesty rest on my shoulders like a hand that steadies me. Let your fears sit beside mine, so we can learn how to breathe in a world
that keeps stealing our air. कभी कभी लगता है दिल की ये सफर सिर्फ एक मुसाफिर का इंतजार कर रहा है.
The one who knows how to touch souls instead of skin, who understands that closeness is not measured in inches but in trust.
तुम जब मुस्कुरा देते हो, I feel a touch on my chest, a gentle press, as if someone is ironing out the creases of my brokenness. When you say my name softly, I feel a touch on my spine,
A shiver of recognition, a reminder that somewhere in this vast world
I belong to a moment that cares for me.
touch me the way dawn touches a tired sky, turning darkness into color without asking for permission.
Touch me like hope patches a drowning heart, a promise that nothing ends until love accepts it has no choice. मैं जानता हूँ जिंदगी हमेशा आसान नहीं होती. There are storms we never speak of, pain we hide behind casual laughter, and nights that feel heavier than our own thoughts. But जब तुम्हारी याद चुपके से मेरे दिल को छू लेती है, I feel the weight lift, bit by bit, breath by breath, as if your presence is teaching me how to live again. Let your words touch me, even if they arrive late, even if they come wrapped in confusion, even if they tremble at the edges. I don't need perfect sentences from you, just sincerity, just warmth, just the courage to say what your heart has been storing for far too long.
Touch me with your kindness, your imperfections, your little insecurities that make you more human than you'll ever realize. Touch me with the pieces of you you never show the world,
the soft ones, the scared ones, the hopeful ones. Kabhi kabhi lagta hai tumhe pata hi nahi कि तुम्हारी छोटी सी बात मेरे दिल के अंदर कितनी गहराई से उतर जाती है. You say I'm okay, but my soul hears the hesitation, and that alone touches me, because it means you let me see the truth beneath your brave smile. Touch me by letting me in, let me walk through your memories, your unfinished dreams, your fears shaped like shadows in the corners of your mind. Let me sit with you in sadness that doesn't feel empty.
let me hold the moments you call mistakes and tell you every only steps toward the person you are becoming.
तुम्हारी आँखों का वो हल्का सा चमक जब तुम किसी उलझन को समझते हो. It touched me like a spark waking up a sleeping candle. Your courage, even when you think you have none, touch me deeper than any touch ever could.